If you're in the Middle East looking to buy or sell crypto, the Rain app pops up frequently. It promises regulated trading, local support, and ease of use. But is it really worth it? Let's break down what you get, what you lose, and what it's really good for. So Rain is a crypto trading platform based in Bahrain. It holds a license from the Central Bank of Bahrain under the Crypto Asset Module Category 3 for stone asset brokerage and custody. The app supports buying, selling, storing crypto, and uses fiat currencies like Bahraini dinar, UAE dirham, Kuwaiti dinar, and more. Here are some of the notable features of Rain. Regulated status, a big plus in the crypto world, supports over 70 cryptocurrencies, fiat deposit and withdrawal integration in the region, cold storage, two-factor authentication, and other standard security measures listed, and simple buy-sell interface. Now here are its pros and cons. For the pros, many users say Rain is a legitimate platform and appreciate its regulated status and local bank integration. Onboarding and basic trades are fairly smooth for many, and good for those in the Middle East who want regional support and local fiat flow. However, do beware of its fees and spread. While trading may appear fee-free, users report spreads or markups on buy or sell that can amount to 1 to 3% or more. Liquidity or advanced order features may be limited compared to global mega exchanges. Some negative reviews cite delayed withdrawals, account issues, or lack of support responses. On Trustpilot, 46% of its reviews were 1 star. And finally, Rain reported suffering a $14 to $15 million exploit in April 2024. So who is it suitable for? Rain is likely worth it if you live in Bahrain, UAE, Kuwait, or the surrounding MENA region and need an exchange with local fiat and support, and are a casual investor looking to buy or sell crypto based on fiat and don't mind trading a few percent spread. It may be less ideal if you are a high volume trader or want very low fees, advanced order types, or massive global liquidity, and want the absolute lowest cost platform and are comfortable with global exchanges and more complexity. So is Rain worth it? Yes, if you prioritize regional regulation, local fiat support, and ease of use in your country, but not if you are fee sensitive or need advanced trading tools and maximum liquidity. Remember, any crypto investment comes with risk. Make sure you're comfortable with spread or fee structure, understand how you withdraw, and always keep your private keys or use secure storage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.